Then you mix this to it. Guys, you see, I set fire without matches or lighter. In the olden days, this is how our ancestors set fire. We get this stone. As you Hello beautiful people, this is your favorite guy, Raymond Echeagbalo. Guys, I am here in Unkonya Oti region, but before it was a Volta region, but later this region was split into two. So I am now in Oti region. This weekend is my mom's funeral, and I want to demonstrate something to you guys. You know, when I was young, my father taught me something. We light a fire with stone fire. You know, in the olden days, our ancestors, they don't need matches or lighter to set a fire. So guys, I want to show you guys, I will use a stone to set a fire for you to see. So just, stay tuned and follow me. And then the process, what you need to do is what? The first one is what? You see this palm tree? You see this palm tree? Yes, so you collect the skin, the dry one. This one. You see? You gather it first. You see, as you can see what I'm doing. So our ancestors, when they are in bush, you know, or they are in farm, they at that time there is nothing like matches or lighter. So this is how they set fire. So you gather it, you collect the skin, the dry one. Bring it this side. So there's a law here. Okay. So I've gathered enough. So then you collect from the dry palm branches some everything. And this is my stone. I am a fool. So we are coming to set fire. Bring it closer. Come and show them. This is palm chaff. So we dry it. Initially it's a waste product, but we use it to set fire. So I have it also with me here. And these are the dry palm branches. And this is plantain leaves dry one. And then this is the thing that I collect from the back of the palm tree. So now I have my stone right here. So this is the stone that I'm going to use to set fire. So guys, I want to see how it's being done. Because a small fire, peel on it, then I have to blow fast as soon as that, so you have to bend down. It wasn't great, so we go again. Guys, can you see? Then later you hang this meat. Then you mix this to it. Guys, you see, I set fire without matches or lighter. In the olden days, this is how our ancestors set fire. We get this stone. As you can see, I did it. You see? See, this is stone fire. You see, our ancestors, oh my goodness, their wisdom is so amazing. The photo, Ejula. So our ancestors, this is how they cook in the farm when they catch meat, bush meat. This is what they use. So they don't eat food raw. They don't eat it meat, fresh meat at all. We cook it. You see, I told you civilization starts from Africa. This is the process. You get it? So, guys, have you seen the process? It's very good. Our ancestors, they have wisdom. Seriously, we need to learn from our ancestors. So, I did it. I set fire without matches or lighter.